Hi guys, welcome to our PubGuru Ad Inspector tutorial series. Today we're going to talk about missing divs or missing ad units. PubGuru Ad Inspector is spitting out errors or warnings about an ad unit div that's defined in your header bidding but is not on page, or configured for header bidding, or in DFB but is not in HB. The first thing you need to ask yourself is this ad unit supposed to show up on this page? And what we mean by that is go back to the ad map. When you say ad map, it's basically the set of ad units that will show up on a certain page or section of your site. So when you configure an ad unit that's not supposed to show up on that section or page, and let's say it's defined in the header, but there's no corresponding div or body tag, then we're sending an ad request to an ad unit that's not even there. Now that results to a lot of null or extra ad requests to all the header bidders, and that eventually hurts your relationship with these bidders or ad networks. So when you're dealing with missing divs or ad units warning or errors, there are three things that you need to audit or that need to match. First is your ad manager. The ad unit code is there and the corresponding sizes. Next, your header bidding configuration. You have there the ad unit, you have defined the slot or the div ID, the ad sizes, and of course, go back to the ad map again. If you are running pre-bid and you're not working with MonetizeMore, then this is something that you need to look for in your tags or in your source code. So do you have that ad unit defined on page? So look for those ad units that's configured for your header bidding, and they need to be there. And lastly, check your source code. Again, go back to the ad map. Is this ad unit supposed to show up on this page? Check your header script. If it's defined in there, then you need to have the corresponding div ID or body tags as well. So if any of these three is missing, you will see an error or warning in PubGuru Ad Inspector. So let's say, oh, I have the ad unit in my header bidding configuration and I have it on my source code, but that ad unit doesn't even exist in your ad manager account. That's going to result in error. The same thing when you have it on your header bidding and your ad manager. Yes, they're fine, but you don't have it on your source code. For as long as you have all these three looking good, they're all there, present, they all match, you're all set.
That concludes our video for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on our latest videos. See you next time!